Welcome to our PaverTrax how-to video. In this video, we will show you step-by-step how to build a perfect paver tree ring in less than 10 minutes. Let's begin. Step 1. Determine the diameter size. The PaverTrax system offers 5 diameter sizes, ranging from 12 to 16 paver bricks on the base level. Choose the diameter that best suits the size of your tree trunk and the space surrounding it. Step 2. Assemble the track system. Once you've determined the diameter size, it's time to assemble the track system. Line up the number corresponding to the amount of paver bricks you plan to use with the holes on the adjacent tracks, choosing between 12 to 16. Secure each track with a locking pin that snaps away from the track. Repeat this process for each track. Simply assemble your track around your tree. Step 3. Center the track system around the tree. Once the track system is complete, carefully center it around the tree. Use a tape measure to ensure equal distances between the tree and the track system. This will create a perfectly balanced tree ring. Step 4. Add the first layer. Now it's time to add the pavers. Place the pavers on the track system. Feel free to add another layer of pavers to enhance the appearance of your tree ring. Just place your pavers within the track system as shown on screen. Step 5. Desired. Depending on your desired finish, you can choose to place soil or mulch inside the tree ring. We recommend using a thin layer of mulch, giving your tree ring a clean and polished look. However, this is just our preference, and you are free to finish off your tree ring however you like. Step 6. Enjoy. Congratulations! You've successfully created a stunning tree ring using the PaverTrax system. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of your newly landscaped area.